So I'm Paul Wilson and I'm the Highways Technology Director responsible for Intelligent Transport Systems at Kier Group, responsible for things like smart motorways, highway lighting, intelligent transport systems, as I said, and also a massive influx and increase in research and development and collaboration between contractors and clients. And I've come here today to listen to what the industry's got to say, what they're doing, and how we might work together better in the future. Well, one of the things that amazes me about highway lighting is how incredibly resilient and how transformative it is. A smart piece of infrastructure is a physical asset which becomes a digital asset, and highways lighting has been one of the forerunners of that. When I left the industry, it was pretty humble, it was a pretty dumb asset, but now it's become almost a smart cities and IoT backbone with the ability to sort of have a connectivity path that connects so many other assets. It's really, really critical asset in my world for things like connected and autonomous vehicles and electric vehicle charging, which are massive mega trends in the highway sector. Well, I think that the clients, which we've historically complained about as not being open for business with regard to R&D and collaboration, are actually leaving us behind. I know that there's working groups that include Tideway, Crossrail, Highways England, Network Rail, Anglian Water, who are really coming together to share good ideas and actually put their money where their mouth is. For example, Highways England have got an innovation, technology and research fund of £150 million exactly to drive forward new technologies, new materials, new ways of working, better use of data. And actually it's the enterprise sector that's got to catch up and work better together to play nice together, to share good ideas, to move the industry at the pace it needs to go at. Well, I would say that is if you look at the way the automotive sector is going, and there's almost an aggregation between telecommunications and the big tech firms in the automotive sector. There's almost an aggregation of that's technology agnostic and solution agnostic, and it's about taking those smart assets that are collecting information, transmission paths that are taking them back into big data. So the things you hear about AI, machine learning, big data, these things used to be quite nebulous and not particularly well worked out, but you understand how the next generation behind us and the generation behind that, how they connect, how it doesn't matter whether there's a Samsung Galaxy phone or an iPhone, everybody can access the same data, the same apps, the same APIs to connect the same information, and that's really how industry is going to go. I think LuxLive's incredible. I feel incredibly proud and humbled that they asked me to speak, and now that I'm here, I'm seeing that people are just really getting the agenda of moving digital forward, and it's not just about lighting, it's about connected architecture and again, creating that sense of place, that sense of health and well-being, is everybody's getting on that agenda about how crucial lighting is.